Welcome. In this video, we are going to answer the question, why do opposite currents repel each other? Let's consider two parallel wires with currents I1 and I2 that are opposite to each other. Okay, current I1 makes a magnetic field into the page at the location of current I2. And we can mark that this way. So we'll put an X for into the page, and that is B1 because it is caused by I1. We can see this using the right-hand rule. We put our thumb in the direction of I1, and our fingertips are into the page at the location of I2. Okay, let's see what the field that I2 makes. So we put our thumb in the direction of I2, and now we see that our fingertips are into the page at the location of I1. So we can say B2 is into the page at the location of I1. Now we can find the magnetic forces on each wire. Okay, the magnetic force on I1 is going to be to the left. Okay, so to find this, we put our pointer finger in the direction of I1. We put our middle finger in the direction of B2, and our thumb points to the left, and that is the direction of force. Okay, we do the same thing for I2. Let's find the magnetic force on I2. We put our pointer finger in the direction of I2. We put our middle finger in the direction of B1, and we see that our thumb points to the right. And the result is that when the currents are opposite, they repel each other. I hope you found this helpful. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.